group of Maine volunteers is heading to Africa soon, hoping to help educate thousands of women about health care. And they'll be bringing medical supplies that were otherwise heading for the dump. Tonight, Kim Block looks at how a local organization is making a difference for families halfway around the world and helping to save the environment right here at home.
These are all items that I took off the wall in the emergency room in a hospital in Bangladesh in one of the remote areas. And if you look at them, you see how dirty they are. They've been used on hundreds and hundreds of people time and time again.
Contrast that to this side of the display, which contains examples of what Partners for World Health might donate to a hospital in a developing country.
So many countries in the developing world, they don't have all of the supplies that doctors and nurses need in order to do their job. So they don't have the sterile gloves, they don't have the instruments, they don't have the sutures, the dressing supplies. So over here, on the right,
this warehouse contains millions of dollars worth of donated medical supplies from hospitals, nursing homes, and individuals, items otherwise likely headed for the dump.
We've sent probably container loads, which is 40-foot container with about 12 to 15,000 pounds of medical supplies to about 12 to 13 different countries.
The next mission is to Senegal, the start of an ambitious goal.
We're going to educate 10,000 women in 5 different countries in Africa.
Volunteers will be teaching women about how to have a healthy pregnancy. McClellan says prenatal care is almost non-existent in Senegal.
And we're going to educate pregnant women about the risks associated with pregnancy. And at the end of this education, we will give them their own delivery kit.
The kits contain what a midwife would use for a normal delivery. McClellan says it's usually up to the patient to provide the supplies.
They have to go and pay for all of this. And this is all safe from the dump as well. So we're saving our environment and reprocessing it here.
The group is also collecting folic acid, a prenatal vitamin to help protect against neural tube defects.
So if we can help them have healthy pregnancies, their outcomes for healthy babies are so much better.
Volunteers leave in a few weeks, each carrying 50-pound bags of donated medical items and an endless supply of compassion. Kim Block, CBS 13 News.
Partners for World Health also donates locally to homeless and animal shelters, depending on the needs of the community. For this project, they're hoping to collect 60,000 folic acid pills, and they have a long way to go.